Hello friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you're fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Ecomi or OMI crypto. OMI is one of the best crypto. As you can see here, the cryptocurrencies market, their position is 59. Now in this video we are going to see the price prediction of OMI, what's the price change occur in the OMI we see in this video. So before starting this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Please, if you listen my voice, so please hit the subscribe button right now, because my target to hit 3k subscribers, so please help me to reach here 3k subscriber. Now let's see the OMI price prediction of previous last 1 hour, 2 hour. First of all, we see the last 2 hour result of the OMI, what's the price change occur in the OMI and the previous two hour. As you can see here, absolutely good news, absolutely good news for all OMI holders. As you can see here, it's a really huge jump for all OMI holders. As you can see here, now currently they are in the jumping, so absolutely good news for all OMI holders. I never saw this kind of cryptocurrencies in the markets which are fully in the high jumping. As you can see here, it is a huge pump of the OMI cryptocurrencies. Now currently they are in the jump, they are not falling down. Now at this time they are in the jump. So if you want to make money in the cryptocurrencies market, so it's a big opportunity for all of you to invest in OMI cryptocurrencies and make a good amount of money. As you can see here, the last 2 hour changes is positive 3.11% change occur in the last 1 hour, and the high price of OMI is absolutely good amount. As you can see here, dollar 0.011258 dollar is the high price of OMI in the previous last 2 hour. So that is the 2 hour price prediction. Let's see the price prediction of previous last 1 hour. As you can see now on the screen, that is a live price prediction of OMI in the last 1 hour. What's the price change occur in the OMI? You are watching now on the screen. That is a live price prediction of the last 1 hour of the OMI cryptocurrency. So please, my request to please share your opinion in the comment box. OMI is a best for investment on that. Please share your opinion. Or said me, is it a good time to invest in a sell or buy OMI in the market or hold OMI? Please share your opinion in the comment box. Please share. Your opinion is very important for us, because I'm also a holder of OMI cryptocurrencies. As you can see now on the screen here, the OMI cryptocurrencies start jumping upward, but at this time they take a small jump, not a big jump, take a small jump, and now currently they are in the, and they goes to moon. As you can see here, now currently they are in the jumping period. Now so it's absolutely good result of the all OMI holders. As you can see here, they are jumping, and the changes is in positive 0.161% change occur in the OMI in the last 1 hour, and the high price of OMI in the previous last 1 hour is about dollar 0.011266 dollar is the high price of OMI in the last 1 hour. So that is a live price prediction of previous last 1 hour, 2 hour. You are watching now on ABS Tech channel. So if you don't subscribe my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button right now for more this kind of latest news and update about cryptocurrency markets.